morning everyone. Now yesterday we have complete the solution of system of linear equations, and today I am again going to discuss on the other example. Yesterday we have also complete examples, and today I am coming with new example. Okay, all of you look here. Now your question says solve by the matrix method. If the equation given in this form, then how we solve by the matrix method? Now look here. Here given equations are x plus 3 by y is equal to 5 and 4x minus 9 by y is equal to 6. Now my dear students, first we express the equations in the matrix form. Now look here. Expressing the given equations in matrix form, we have, my dear students, we already know how we express the equations in matrix form. Here you should write the coefficient of x1 and here the coefficient of 1 by y, because it is given in the form of 3 by y, so you write the coefficient of 1 by y 3, and from here 4, from here minus 9, and in the place of x we have already given x, but in the place of y, we have there is 1 by y. Yes, we have there is 1 by y, so we write here in the place of y 1 by y, and which is equal to 5 6, and where let a is equal to 1 3 4 minus 9, x is equal to x 1 by y, and b is equal to 5 6. My dear students, when we multiply these two matrices and equating this with this, then again we get the given equations. And now here we let this a and this matrix be x and this matrix be b, and first we should find from here the determinants of the matrix A. We have 1 3 4 minus 9, and all of you know how we find. Multiply the main diagonal elements, 1 into minus 9 minus 4 into 3, we have minus 9 minus 12, which is equal to minus 21, not equal to 0. If their determinants is equal to 0, then it has not solution. You stop there your process, and here it is not equal to 0, so it has, you write there, so it has unique solution. All of you write down. And after finding determinants of matrix A, if there is not equal to 0, then it has unique solution. And now we have the formula. We know that x is equal to A inverse B. Yesterday we have complete this formula. We also complete derivation of this formula, how we write x is equal to A inverse B. Okay, write down. X is equal to A inverse into matrix B. Now here we have x is equal to, and the formula to find the inverse of matrix is 1 by determinants of matrix A and adjoint of matrix A into B. And look here in the place of x we have x 1 by y, and here 1 by, what is the determinants of matrix A? -1, you write there -21, and its adjoints, you know how we find the adjoints. Change their main diagonal elements -9, 1, and write the remaining elements by their negative sign -4, -3, and you write there the matrix B 5, 6, and then first you should multiply these two matrices. First you should find the product of these two matrices, and then we multiply by a scalar -21. Here multiply these two, -9 into 5 -45, plus -3 into 6 -18, -20 plus 6. Okay, from here you take one screenshot. Okay, I am going to calculate this. So look here we have x 1 by y is equal to -1 by 21, and here get this to -63, and here we have -14. X 1 by y is equal to, multiply these two, we have here 3, and here 1 by 2 by 3 minus plus 2 by 3, here we have 2 by 3, write down. And after completing this, now equating these two are equal matrix, now equating these two, now equating the corresponding elements we get. Now look here we have x is equal to 3, and 1 by y is equal to 2 by 3, or y is equal to 3 by 2, hence x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 by 2. My dear friends, in this way you should find the value, we should find the value of x and y, and we solve in this way the simultaneous linear equations. Okay, write down. Now I am going to erase this. Now we have second example number 2 for today. Solve by matrix method. 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 13, and 5y minus 3x is equal to 9xy. Now my dear friends, here we have in second example 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 13, and 5y minus 3x is equal to 9xy. Now how we solve these types of equation by using matrix method? Now look here, I am going to solve this equation. Now first we write here solution. Here given equations are, here we have given equations are 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 13 and 5y minus 3x is equal to 9xy. My dear students, we express this equation, we convert this equation in this form, in the form of first equation. Now to express the second equation in the form of first equation, now we divide this equation on both sides by xy. Now look here, here we have 5y by xy minus 3x by xy is equal to 9xy by xy, dividing on both sides by xy, dividing on both sides by xy, we have here 5 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 9, and now we have two equations. Now we easily solve these types of equation, same as example number first. Now we express these two equations. First we look here, they two are in the same form or not. If they are not in same form, first you express in the same form and then you write in the matrix form. Now I am going to write in the matrix form. Look here, here expressing the equations in matrix form, we have, now look here, here you write the, here in the place of x we have 1 by x. Now look here my dear students, here in this equation 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 1. Here all of you look, 3 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y is equal to 1. Okay, all of you look here, here we have 3 by x plus 2 by y is written in the form of 3 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y. In the place of x we have here 1 by x, in the place of y we have here 1 by y, and their coefficient is 3 and 2. So my dear students, you should write the coefficient as 3 and 2 of 1 by x and 1 by y. I am going to write, look here, 3, 2, and from here 5 minus 3, and in the place of x we have 1 by x in both and 1 by y is equal to 13/9. Okay, first you express both equation in the same form and then you write in this matrix form as this. Here coefficient of 1 by x 3, coefficient of 1 by y 2, coefficient of x 1 by x 5, here minus 3, and here in the place of x we have 1 by x 1 by y, and there is right 13 and 9. And let a is equal to 3, 2, 5 minus 3, x is equal to 1 by x 1 by y, and b is equal to 13/9. Okay, and then you find the determinants of matrix A. We have 3, 2, 5 minus 3, then 3 into minus 3 minus 5 into 2. We have here minus 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 19, which is not equal to 0. So it has unique solution. Okay, and after finding the determinants of A, we usually find, we note that x is equal to A inverse B. This is the formula to find the matrix X. Write down. Okay, now I am going to erase this. And here we have, in the place of x, 1 by x, 1 by y is equal to, you know the formula to find A inverse, 1 by determinants, adjoint of matrix A into B. Here 1 by x, 1 by y is equal to 1 by, what is the determinants? Minus 19, adjoint, all of you know, 3 minus 3 change their position, and minus 5 minus 2, and here is 13 9. Yes, and I am going to multiply. First you should find the product of the matrix, these two. Here we have minus 39 minus 18 minus 65 plus 27. Write down, all of you. Here we have 7 5 subtract 8 5 3. Okay, now also I am going to erase this, and these are the value of 1 by x, 1 by y, and here also 1 by x, 1 by y. After complete this, now multiply these two elements by minus 1 by 19 we have, and 2, equating the corresponding elements we have. Now my dear students, equating the corresponding elements we have 1 by x is equal to 3 and 1 by y is equal to 2, and calculate this, the x is equal to 1 by 3, and here 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2, hence x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to 1 by 2. In this way you find the answer, you find the value of x and y. My dear students, this is also solved same as example number 1, 2, 3, and in this way we should find the value of x and y. We should solve the simultaneous linear equation. Okay, write down from here. It is better to take from here a screenshot. Now I am going to give some homework. Now look here. For homework, 1 number, solve by matrix method. A number, x by 7 minus 2y by 7 is equal to minus 1, and 3x by 5 plus 7y by 5 is equal to 1. B number, 2 by x plus 3 is equal to 9 by y, and 2 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 1. C number, five x plus 5y by 4 is equal to 7x plus 3y by 5 is equal to 4, and D number 1 by x minus 1 by 2y is equal to 8, and 1 by 2x minus 1 by y is equal to minus 1. Now my dear students, this is your homework, and in some question I am going to give their hint. In these types of question, first you should take their LCM, then we have x minus 2y is equal to, and cross multiply, minus 7, and from here 3x plus 7y is equal to 5, and then you should solve by the matrix method. First you should take LCM from these types of question and then you solve. And in this, first you write the term which have variable 1 by x in first, there is already written in first, and you change their side, minus 9 by y is equal to minus 3, and from here it is already in the form, and now we solve. And in this equation, first we take first and last, then we have 5x plus 5y is equal to 4 4 is 16, and other equation 7x plus 3y is equal to 24. Again list, first you find from their two equations by taking first and last. We have 5x plus 5y is equal to 4 4 is 16, and second and last 7x plus 3y is equal to 5 4 is 20, and then you solve. Okay, and in this equation you take same as example number 2, then its coefficient 1 and its coefficient minus 1 by 2, and variable 1 by x and 1 by y, it is in the form of 1 by x and 1 by y, and you solve. For today only this much. This is your homework, and after complete homework you will send by the school apps. In school apps there is also maintained how we send your photo, so it is better to send by the school apps. For today only this much. Thank you.